I think one of the key roles change chemistry plays is convening the groups together. And one of the things in particular from a thinking about product innovation, because we're brands and focused on innovation from where I sit, is I love the fact that we bring together, the membership who are very large, established chemical suppliers like Dow, BASF, Eastman, many others, but also with startups. And we can all be in the same place and people looking at things very differently on how to solve technical problems and commercialize new, more sustainable chemistry.
I completely agree, Todd. And I would add on, so many of the members within GC3 are at different stages in this journey. And by working together through change chemistry, they can share findings and solutions that may not get communicated that effectively between value chain partners otherwise, and help us identify things that we should be doing that we didn't even realize were out there. And so by teaching and enabling the members to take advantage of some of the breakthroughs that have already occurred, we can accelerate some of the change. And I would also add, I really feel like it's change chemistry's role to challenge all of us to push harder, to really push the envelope on how we can make the changes faster. Because we've been doing a lot of signaling. There's been a lot of collaboration between groups, but I think we all feel like, man, we'd love to be able to move these things even faster than they're moving today. And I think change chemistry can play a really significant role in doing that.
I think the other benefit I personally see with the organization is I just get a ton from both learning and mentorship in the space. I have learned so much about sustainability and safer chemistry and just the entire space, but also the friendship as well and collaboration. I love being in this call with Chris. It's great to work with him in the organization, but also just I've made so many great friends as part of being involved in this organization. So it's anytime we're together, it's always one of my favorite events of the year.
Oh, I feel the same way. I was just going to say the same thing. It's funny when I first started working with this group back in I think it was 2017, 2018. I hadn't spoken about chemistry since I was a sophomore in high school. And I was really intimidated coming into this group, surrounded by so many talented and smart folks. But what really jumps out is just how amazing all the people are, and the collaborative nature, the fun that we have together, the good-natured ribbing back and forth. I mean, it just makes it a really comfortable environment for us to work together, and makes the journey that much more enjoyable. So as much as I'm excited about the name change and the new focus and really challenging us to get better, I'm just hoping we can draw more and more people into the group, because it really is a great place and we're going to make a big difference.